guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shruti Mokal and today we are going to make Chocochip cookies. This is the list of the ingredients which we are going to need for today. You can pause the video and check it out or check the description below where I have listed everything out. And I guess let's get started. This video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get updated on my next YouTube video. And I guess see you next time.